So, time to open the Manticore box. Looking good. Wow, look at that coil there. Wow. I'm not used to seeing, the 11-inch at all. Since, like I said, I tend to use the 6-inch a lot. Alright, we can see here that Minelab indeed made this coil a lot more stronger and robust. I mean, if you're breaking this, if you're snapping this off, I don't know what the hell you're doing out there. You're probably sweeping or raking the leaves, because this part is pretty sturdy, I've got to say. This whole coil feels pretty good. Feels good. Let's see here. Here's the input. Looks about the same as the Equinox, but as I understand, these coils are not compatible, and vice versa, from the Equinox to the Manticore. We have here, looks like the charging cable, the USB charging cable, also what you would use to update your machine with. An instruction booklet. I wonder if this is more robust than what the Equinox shipped with. It actually feels about the same. A little fold-out panel. Yeah, Equinox came with the same thing. A little fold-out thing. Assumingly, if you want the full manual, you're going to have to go to the Minelab website. But here is the assembly instructions. Yeah, I think we're going to have to charge it. I don't think it came charged. A little more in-depth look at the 2D screen here, how it works. What do we got in the back? Oh, okay, yeah, quick start guide. That'd come in handy for most people. We have the warranty here, some screen protectors, and oh cool, there's a little table of all their metal detectors. Surprisingly though, the 7 and 900 aren't on this. That's okay though. We got the headphones. Alright. From what I heard online, these headphones are a little better than what came with the Equinox. I've had my Equinox since 2020, and I only just started using the headphones, so I can't really speak for if these are any better, but I can tell you the this little container here is certainly different. Let's look at the headphones. Let's see how they look compared to the other. Oh, yeah, definitely different. Definitely different. And not only that, but if you look, unlike the Equinox headphones, it comes with a cable. The Equinox ones were completely wireless, but this right here has a cable. I really like these headphones. Wow, I like the way it looks. The logo is embossed on here. This is awesome. I actually can't wait to try these out, and curious if these headphones will be compatible with the Equinox. We'll have to try it. Alright, we got the armrest out. I like the way it feels, actually. It's all one piece compared to the two pieces that the Equinox is. Is this? Yeah, this is one piece. So this slides, as I understand it, this little part here, it'll slide up and down the shaft and lock into place. So instead of pushing those little buttons that the Equinox had, you'll be able to easily adjust this by sliding it up and down. And yeah, here's the part where the arm cuff will slip on. As I showed you before, now the real winner here is the control box. I can already tell you this thing feels great. It feels great. This grip here, just the way it's angled here, the recessed pieces here, it feels so much better already. I can't wait to take it out. And that's everything that's in the box. The Manticore is now fully assembled, and we're just waiting for a warm day to take it out and test it. Alright, thanks for watching, and soon enough there will be videos of the Manticore in action.